The Warner Brothers Sound Effects Library. Warner Brothers Cartoon Sound Effects. Cartoon sounds we all grew up on. Decades of animation experience. You remember them.
Is a 2-CD collection of over 400 horror and suspense ambiences, plus a full selection of creatures, monsters, ghosts, vampires, zombies, haunted houses, and lots of other creepy stuff. If you need great sounds for evil places, this library will take you there. For the other side of sound, choose the dark side. Audio for mayhem and madness.